In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fight in Saitama Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the basic controls of Saitama Battlegrounds and how you can utilize those to fight your opponents. So as you can see here, I am on a private server. I highly recommend that you create a private server if you want to practice and learn how to fight. Before actually starting, you can look at the controls. So on PC, G is used for the ultimate mode, F is used to block, Q is used to dash, and if you do Q while ragdolled, you can ragdoll cancel or do an evasive move. You can double tap W to run, left click to punch, and use B to open the emote wheel. So with all of that out of the way, you can go ahead and create a private server if you wish. Just scroll down, go into the servers category, and create one. Now, to actually fight, you are basically going to be using a combination of moves. So usually you will open with some M1, which are these punches, and you will combo it into other actions. Now, sadly for this video, I won't be able to show you too many cool combos because I am a newbie. And I just want to go over the basic controls of the game so you can explore and play however you want. The most important thing to be aware of are your skills. So if I press 1 through 4, you will be able to see these skills go off. These skills can oftentimes disrupt enemies, so like this one, it put him into this tornado where he couldn't move. So they are essential for doing combos and making sure that you get the upper hand on your character and of course your enemy. You can practice here using this dummy, and you just don't want to spam them. You want to timely press them, so this way you get the maximum amount of usage as possible and your opponent has no time to escape. I recommend that you look up guides of different characters, but for this video I just wanted to highlight the main moves of the game. So as you can see here, this is how the block looks. You can press Q to dash, and it also does a punch at the end of your dash, and all of these moves are going to be essential at beating your opponents in Saitama Battlegrounds. I hope I was able to help you on how to fight in Saitama Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.